many other advanced tricks, this is quite a wide variety of all levels of tricks. This last one's pretty tricky, but I will leave it with you. And it comes from doing a tick-tock. When you hit it to one side, after hitting it to the side, you're going to put the stick under your opposite crook of the neck. So you hit it there, put the stick under, and then this hand hits it in a half flip back to the other side, and you pass the hand stick back, grab, reset, hit. Ooh, this stick is very fast. It's a half flip. When it leaves your first hand, it's a half flip that the center stick does before you put it, and that gives you extra time. So half flip, half flip, half flip, half flip.